My name is Frederic Maynard. I'm the owner of MAYN Cabinets and Refinishing. I specialize in high-end cabinet refinishing, refacing, and I also do new cabinetry. And I'm getting into a few different things too, like MDF doors, and yeah. So I own the CanCam C2-510ATC. I use it to cut cabinet parts, MDF one-piece doors, and I'm also looking into doing much more with it. I chose the CanCam C2-510ATC because it came with the auto tool changer, it came with the vacuum pump and the vacuum bed. Also, the 5x10 is a nice footprint. It gives you a lot of space to work with, and the price was really good for all those options. So I did a few cabinet jobs before I had the machine, and I would drill like every hole by hand, and like also with the table saw, like I would cut pieces and I wasn't satisfied 100% with the way like the pieces were squared because I didn't have a panel saw. It was just a table saw. So when I got the machine, it's like day and night. Everything gets drilled. Everything's qualified tenon, so it all clips together. It makes the assembly so much better, so much faster, and the cabinet is actually, you know, stronger. So it's been a game changer productivity wise. Like I can cut a sheet in like 10 minutes. So the delivery morning went so smoothly. The truck backed up to the garage door, the bed kind of tilted, the machine rolled down with a winch, and then we slid it around in the shop because it came with caster wheels. So delivery was awesome, absolutely great. Well, when I bought the machine, I kind of like figured it would take me, you know, like maybe up to 6 months to actually, you know, get going. But it's been much faster than that. I actually cut my first cabinet on the machine within like a week of it being plugged in and everything. So it's been really easy to figure out. The machine is actually pretty simple. Most of the learning curve comes with the software, so machine really simple. So since I got the machine, I haven't really had to call for support, apart from once when I had a kind of like an error. I forgot to turn on the vacuum table, and I had a little error for the spindle, so I had to call in, and yeah, Cameron got on the phone right away, right when I called, within 30 seconds, and we're able to fix the issue. Having someone answer the phone and like give you help right away, that's awesome. And I understand sometimes, you know, like there's other clients and things like that, other phone calls to take, but getting a phone call back even like 5 minutes after, just that is like really worth it. The thing with a machine like this is it doesn't actually need to run all day long to make you money. I think just having it run sometimes like a few hours a day will flood the whole shop with parts. So it doesn't, like, you don't got to be worried of it like running, you know, the whole 9-10 hour shift. It doesn't need to run that much. It can run just a few hours a day, and that's enough to flood a shop, you know, with like 1,500 square feet. Even 2 guys, that's quite enough. So. But like I find like a CNC is expensive, but it's not that expensive for what it can do compared to, let's say you want to automate finishing. Well, those machines cost 10 times more, 20 times more, and they're much more finicky. There's more waste. A CNC is definitely the first upgrade a small cabinet shop should do. And I think I got the 5x10, and I think it makes sense. If you can fit a 5x10, get it. For the difference in price, it's better to have it and not need it than need it, not have it. Because, yeah, I can run pretty long pieces on here, and technically I'm sure I could let it overhang if in certain situations where... but 5x10 is perfect. Show this too. So this was cut on mosaic with this machine. I used some laminate with the plastic protective sheet, so it holds everything together, and it cuts everything with a 90 degree bit. Yeah, technically I could have used a 91 just to account for the glue, but I didn't. But it's still a miter-fold floating shelf. Man, possibilities like with a CNC, it's got to be like the best tool, the best machine someone can buy. So the C2 has helped me out a lot by like saving time, and also it opened like a lot of different opportunities, like doing MDF doors and other side projects too. If someone was on the fence about buying a machine like this, I'd say buy it. This is the price of my truck, and if I had to choose between this and my truck, I'd choose the machine, because this is a real moneymaker. Honestly, if I had to choose, man, I'd choose the machine over the truck. I'd drive anything really, because this makes me money and the truck costs me money. Like, it doesn't need to run all day. It technically could run like for a few hours and you got work for a few days. So people are worried of like keeping it busy. It doesn't need to be that busy for it to pay for itself. Like.
And how long did that sheet of melamine take you?
This took 6.3 minutes in the system. So like, yeah, it's you can't beat that. Like, I can't cut that cabinet on a saw that quick, and if I can't drill all these holes either, or the dados. So then I got to use a biscuit for finished ends, or yeah. And another thing I could actually do too is I could actually pre-drill these for screws. So I wouldn't even have to like pre-drill, countersink the screws. It would all be done. So yeah, possibilities are endless.